Don't touch the balloons. Yes, it's nice performance. Don't touch the balloons. Without that, you can move from one place to another place. Reach your goal without touching. Yes, yes, yes. Yes, very good. Hey, don't. Yes, second place. We want third place. Third place. Who is ready to? Don't touch the balloon. Yes, very good.
ಟಚ್ ಮಾಡಲಿ ಸರ್
It's nice performance.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್